Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do reverse bay parking. Examiner normally asks you, I would like to carry on the maneuver called reverse bay parking. I would like to park the car inside the bay, all four wheels, left or right, you choose. So they give you a choice, either you park on the left side of the bays or you park on the right side of the bays. They give you the choice wherever you like to park. You can do it either side. First thing we need to do is, because it's a 45 degrees, we've already got the bottle in the box, so I'm gonna put my car to the first gear, just look around to make sure everything's okay around us. So if you see there, I left a water bottle there, so this is the box. I'm going to park my car there. So first thing we need to do is go closer to these bays here on the left side, and then if you look at the wing mirror, your wing mirror should be touching the second box, line of the second box. If you have a look there, so that's the box I'm parking. My wing mirror should be there. So that's my reference to work with. Full turn to the left hand side. Again, look around to make sure everything's okay around us. And now make a full turn to the right. Now keep an eye on your wing mirror. If you keep looking in the wing mirror, as soon you see that box, you're going into the second box or the inner line of the box there, this is when you should stop. Put your car into the reverse gear, look around again, make sure everything's fine, and then keep an eye on the wing mirror now. So we need to make sure we park the car wherever we have put our bottle there. So you can see the box, the car's getting straighter nicely there. As soon as I see the lines are straight, I can take my turn away, and I just need to put my car inside the box now. So wheels are straight. Again, I'm working with my reference here. If I have a look there, there's a nice gap on this side. There's a nice gap on this side. So we just need to make sure that we work with our reference. So our reference will remain the same one. Front door handle should be touching the back curb, the white line in this case. So as soon as I see the front door handle touched, I can stop the car, take the gear out, just put my car into neutral, switch the car off, and we can have a look again. So we open the door. Again, nice gap on this side, nice gap, front is inside. This side is fine because examiner asks you four wheel inside the bay, so they are the four wheel all from all sides, and they're all inside. So that's your reverse bay parking, nice and easy way. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you. Bye bye.